An operator makes a critical mistake by reaching into the machine's work area to clear a jam during a routine operation on a powerful industrial press. In less than a second, the machine completes its cycle, resulting in a serious accident. Although a coworker rushes to help immediately, the damage has already been done. Accidents like this are preventable. One should never reach into active machinery, and protective barriers must always be used. Take a close look at this public event where powerlifters push the limits of their strength. Throughout the competition, the athletes attempt to lift massive weights that test the limits of the human body's endurance. After successfully completing his lift, the athlete on the left steps back to rest. Just as everyone's attention shifts to the other athlete, the one who stepped back suddenly loses his balance, collapses, and falls to the ground. Take a close look at these intense moments in a metal processing plant, where workers handle materials at high temperatures. Workers in these types of production areas face extremely dangerous equipment and extreme heat every day. Even the slightest lapse in attention can lead to serious consequences in a matter of seconds. While workers are carrying out operations on the production line, an unexpected loss of balance occurs during the transport of molten iron in a ladle. One of the workers accidentally drops the hot metal he is carrying onto himself and frantically tries to protect himself. Other workers who notice the incident rush to help. Fortunately, no life-threatening injuries occur in this serious incident. In such high-risk operations, the use of automated systems instead of manual interventions is of the utmost importance. To make sure you don't miss out on these critical safety analyses, and to keep yourself safe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Stay safe.